Store-bought healthy ice cream is kind of a trap. A lot of those brands swap real food for gums, fillers, and sugar alcohols, and some run 30 ingredients deep. So I made 6 ice creams at home that are actually better for you. Hi, I'm Anjali. I'm a board-certified health coach, and I'm a mom of 2, so all of these had to pass the kid test too. I'm ranking every one at the end on 3 things: how clean the ingredients are, how much sugar they have, and how easy they are to make. Let's get into it. First up, mango nice cream. Frozen mango, frozen banana, a splash of plant milk, and that's basically it. No ice cream maker, no cooking. You just throw everything into the blender and blend it up. The riper the banana, the sweeter it gets, so I never add sugar. 1 cup of mango gives you most of your vitamin C for the day, and the whole thing is just fruit. My tip is use a food processor, not a blender, or you'll end up with a smoothie. But basically, this tastes like mango soft serve. And this is one my kids love, especially in the summer. Next, caramel nice cream. And this one feels like a magic trick. It's frozen bananas, dates, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. The dates are here basically doing all the work. They taste like caramel, but they come loaded with fiber, so you get the sweetness without the crash. Soak them in hot water for 10 minutes first, and then they blend up silky smooth. Watch the color change as it whips up. No dairy, no added sugar, just whole foods. And if you're brand new to nice cream, start here. Now, chocolate banana ice cream. This one uses dairy, but it totally earns it. It's frozen banana, plain Greek yogurt, dark chocolate, and walnuts. The yogurt adds protein and a little tang, and the banana brings the sweetness. The walnuts give you crunch plus some healthy fats. I recommend using dark chocolate at 70% or higher, and you get real antioxidants in there too. Watch these banana chunks turn into smooth soft serve. My kids call it chocolate ice cream, and they have no idea it's basically just fruit and yogurt. This next one surprises everybody. It's chocolate ice cream made from silken tofu. I know, but trust me, it's tofu, cashew milk, cocoa, a little sugar, and the secret weapon is a pinch of instant coffee. The coffee doesn't taste like coffee, it just makes the chocolate taste richer. The tofu blends up super creamy and sneaks in some plant protein too. This one does need an ice cream maker or just some patience in the freezer. If you've been scared to go dairy-free because you'll miss that creamy texture, this is your recipe. Okay, now we have vegan matcha ice cream. This one's a little bit fancier and it's really pretty too. I love that green color. Coconut milk and soy milk for the base, real matcha for that earthy flavor and color, and arrowroot to thicken it instead of gums. My tip that saves this whole batch is to whisk the matcha with a little warm milk first to make a paste, or you'll get clumps. Heads up, this one has the most steps, so you cook the base and strain it, and then you make your ice cream. The matcha has some caffeine in it, so it is more of a grown-up treat than a kid one, but that flavor is totally worth it. And last, we have lychee ice cream. I'm being honest with you, this one is a little bit indulgent. It's lychees, condensed milk, heavy cream, whole milk, and vanilla. It's not really low sugar, and I'm not going to pretend that it is, but it still beats what you can find at the grocery store because you skip all the gums and stabilizers and you control exactly what goes into it. Lychee tastes kind of like pear and rose, and it's genuinely special. This is my treat yourself pick because some desserts are just for joy, and that's totally allowed. All right, the ranking on clean ingredients, sugar, and how easy these are to make. In last place, the lychee ice cream. It's delicious, but 40 grams of sugar and has the most steps. It's a treat, not an everyday thing. Number 5, matcha. The antioxidants are real, but it does have added sugar, and of the plant-based ones, it's one of the hardest to make because it does have the most steps. Number 4, the tofu chocolate ice cream. It's super creamy, it's delicious, but it does need an ice cream maker. Number 3, the chocolate banana. That yogurt, walnut, and chocolate combo is hard to beat, and it's really easy to make. Number 2, the caramel nice cream. It's 4 ingredients, 0 added sugar. Just use the blender and you're done. And then number 1, the mango nice cream. It's the lowest sugar, lowest in calories, 4 whole food ingredients, and the easiest of the whole bunch. No surprise, the simplest one won, but really it could have been a tie between the caramel nice cream and the mango nice cream because they're both super easy and delicious and no added sugar. Healthy ice cream isn't about fancy products, it's just about real food. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I post healthy recipes just like this that are easy to make with zero stress every single week. And if you have any questions or you've tried any of these recipes, make sure to leave a comment below because I respond to every single question I get.